putting on the lab coat and putting on the goggles to go into the lab with you. That was a new experience for me. I was talking with a curator in the art museum who told me there's a professor who brings his chemistry class into the galleries. And so I thought I'd like to meet this guy.
This has really revitalized me as a teacher and really as a scientist as well. You can become a better scientist by becoming better at art.
Fill in the blank. One thing I've learned from my colleague is
our teaching together reveals.
I would describe our collaboration as
I had an idea of incorporating art into my chemistry courses, and I had been doing that since I arrived at Notre Dame. Michael and I created a course called Only Connect Chemistry and Art. Only Connect is the epigraph of a novel called Howard's End by E.M. Forster.
I think a number of our students approached the class probably in a way similar to when we met, when I was thinking, like, what is this going to be? How could these disciplines work together?
You know, I see a connection between science and art, but especially between chemistry and art. Chemists, unlike maybe physicists, biologists, or other scientists, create the object of their own study, just like an artist does. And I think in that way, there's a deeper connection between chemists and artists.
Fill in the blank. I said symmetry. Artists and art historians know how symmetry can produce meaning. Chemists look for different kinds of symmetry in studying representations of a molecule. And in both cases, the work of the art historian and the chemist is about visual analysis.
I chose shapes because art is made of shapes, whether it's a painting, sculpture, music, poems. And I think chemistry is that way too, whether it's structural chemistry or whether it's reactions. Catalysis is a circular reaction scheme. And I've spent my career studying catalysis. So I identify my research with this circle.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Mine is an 18th century French salt cellar in the collection of the Rachlin Murphy Museum of Art. We started looking at it as an example of chirality, a symmetry property that many molecules have, but one that I never thought about in relation to the history of art.
Work of art that I think really represents the intersection of art and science is the maquette for a piece called Mozart 1 by Kenneth Snelson. It, to me, represents an atom, the electron in the atom, but not by drawing a picture of an electron in the atom. It's representing the balance of forces, the connectivity between all the different parts of an atom, how the force is distributed in a molecule over all atoms. All of these ideas that are central to understanding atoms and molecules in quantum mechanics, they are represented by Snelson's work.
I would describe our collaboration as surprising. There was a lot that I didn't know, and those have been the most valuable things to me in our collaboration is what I didn't know and how much I've learned in working with you.
I would describe our collaboration as uplifting. This has really been a joy for me to learn from you, to learn from our students, and to really fulfill the promise of the course.
It's been a learning experience for me to have exposure to another discipline that I was largely unfamiliar with. And it's made me wonder what other disciplines are out there that maybe I should learn more about.